Good evening, everyone, and first of all, thank you all of you who are on stage. Manoj Saab, Ali, Shamak, Tom, and Saurabh. Uh, Team which is trying to bring together what we might seem like, oh, one more award function. But that's all right. I think more the merrier. And the idea here is to authenticate, make it something which is a little more real, honest, upfront, and different in terms of even performances that will happen later on in America. And when I was told about it, the Indian Academy Awards, I'm happy that we would be able to do this in America, and there's a platform which they'll explain to you. I'm sure everybody's been talking about it. It's a platform where you're not only getting Hindi cinema or Hindi films, you're getting even the South Indian films to be participants. You're also getting some of the films from Hollywood, which we may have liked here in India or otherwise, and include them in the awarding process, which kind of first helps India to have far-reaching effects for the cinema. We are the oldest filmmaking nation in the world. We made the largest number of films, but we still do need an expansion in a market which will make sure our cinema goes worldwide. It's been some time that we have not been able to achieve that. So I thank all the people here on stage, all the teams which are participants now, to try and make this happen. For me, as an actor, as a producer, as an Indian film person, the most important thing is, can our cinema reach worldwide? And Tom has been extremely helpful and extremely kind in allowing us, access to America to be able to hold this function, accessed here at the embassy, and everyone who's been busy behind the scenes at the American Consulate. A big thank you to you all for taking this initiative. And personally, Tom also likes Bollywood films, so I'm going to take him for a few dances and teach him some. And Shamak is here already. I'm sure he'll start choreographing. And just a little mention that, the process has been explained, will be explained as we talk here, and you'll get to know more about it. But to create an academy, to create a world where all the fans, so to say, can participate in choosing the films online by a very simple registration process I've been made to understand on the website that will be launched, I'm sure now. It just amalgamates, includes everyone in the process of deciding which films they like, not only just in terms of popularity, but in terms of content, design, and style. And anyway, with social media, everybody is such a big participant now. I think it's high time we legalized it, organized it, and put it on floor as the Indian Academy Awards are planning to do. So my best wishes. I'm to perform there. I'm sure a lot of other Indian actors and actresses will also participate. I'm sure there'll be participants from the American film industry and, of course, the most loved South Indian film industry. So it'll be really nice to have all of us going there, enjoying ourselves for a two-day function, I'm explaining, which also includes fashion and music, and of course the award function or the ceremony which follows. So thank you very much, all of you, for being here once again, the whole American Consulate, Tom, and everybody present on this dais for putting this together. I'm honored to be a part of the first Indian Academy Awards. Thank you so much, and have a very good evening, everyone. Thank you.
Wow. So Shahrukh, you've actually...
Okay, sorry, okay.
You've actually pretty
It's not
much
done yet.
covered everything that we needed to ask you. You're that good. But I just wanted to, just a little thing about whenever we've looked at the Academy Awards that happen in, say, Hollywood, everyone here in our industry says, we don't have an academy that is as, as together and as solid and as integrated as theirs. But in these awards, it's the people who are going to be choosing. Do you really believe it's the people who decide whether a film is worth putting out there or an academy?
I think it's a big discussion. Whenever I get an award which is jury decided, I like the jury. When I get the popular one, I like but if you can have a fusion of both, I think the Oscars, the Academy has been able to maintain that. They have created an academy. I'm sure they also have loopholes, and there'll always be discussions about how the awards change around there. Each one of them will have its own loopholes and issues and discussive points. But I think a beginning like this, where people can come online, vote, at least gives you a popularity idea, if nothing else. And then if you have a set of people behind the scenes, as I'm sure they will, to get the cue from there, and within that choose the winners, maybe a fairer judgment of how a film should be.
Less foolproof.
Nothing is foolproof, but yeah, okay, a little less,
Great.
yeah.
We look forward to it, and we'll look forward to your participation in the Indian Academy Awards. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we are here for, the unveiling of the big IAA trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please request Mr. Shah Rukh Khan to now unveil and give us the first look of the Indian Academy Awards trophy, please?
हाय शाहरुख, रवि फ्रॉम एबीपी न्यूज़। शाहरुख, पहले से ही इतने सारे अवार्ड्स हैं इंडिया में भी और आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी, आईफा टॉयफा होस्ट किया जाता है। ऐसे में क्या लगता है कि एक और अवार्ड, और जैसे जैसे अवार्ड्स बढ़ रहे हैं वैसे वैसे अवार्ड्स की क्रेडिबिलिटी कम होती जा रही है। कई सारे स्टार्स बॉलीवुड में भी अब अवार्ड्स का मजाक उड़ाने लगे। आपने भी कई बार मजाकिया लहजे में कहा है कि मैं तो बस यूं ही चला जाता हूं, अवार्ड्स ले लेता हूं। तो ऐसे में एक नया अवार्ड, इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
आई थिंक यार थोड़ी सी चीज़ आप टेलीविजन से हो ना। एक्चुअली आई थिंक थोड़ा टेलीविजन ने बर्बाद कर दिया अवार्ड फंक्शंस को, ऑनेस्टली। क्योंकि अभी क्या हो गया है कि जो भी अवार्ड का फंक्शन होता है वो टेलीविजन फ्रेंडली ज़्यादा हो गया है, जीईसी के लिए ज़्यादा हो गया है, और ये बहुत दुखद बात है मेरे हिसाब से। बहुत सारे हैं और शुरुआत बहुतों की एक अर्नेस्टनेस और एक एथिक के साथ होती है कि वी विल ट्राई टू गेट द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे टू जज पॉपुलैरिटी और द क्रिटिकल कंटेंट ऑफ अ फिल्म एंड फिल्म मेकर्स एंड एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस। बट कहीं ना कहीं पर हम उस लूप में फंस जाते हैं। I won't take away from the fact that everybody tries to be credible. I think everybody tries to make the best effort possible. But I think reasons of commerce and economics sometimes don't let it go to the extent. So the assumption every time is कि जब भी एक award function नया वाला आता है और एक ऐसे platform पे ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो एक earnest effort कर रहे हैं, so hope पे तो दुनिया कायम है. So you assume this one, Indian Academy Awards, will make sure कि प्लेटफॉर्म जैसा भी हो, एंटरटेनिंग हो, कि कैन वी गेट एंटरटेनमेंट एंड द ऑथेंटिसिटी एंड द credibility of awards to mix in such a way that you can watch both. You have a great function on television and you are able to also appreciate the fact that maybe perhaps not your most popular choice has won, but somewhere down the line the correct choice has won.
Is Oscar the only benchmark for Bollywood celebrities?
Is Oscar the only benchmark for Bollywood celebrities?
You know, when you see a property like Oscars, which has been going on for years, it may not be, I mean, I think it's inspirational, if not a benchmark. You know, they've been going on for years. They've created an academy. Everybody looks up to it. Not only that, the Golden Globes, the BAFTA, there's some amazing awards, even, you know, in other countries. We may not have access to them or see them as often, but Oscar, of course, is the most popular and most viewed. But I think there is a system there which can be inspirational in terms of trying to take a cue from a good thing that already exists. So I'm not saying it's the benchmark that you're going to try and create a mini or a Oscar clone, but somewhere down the line, if there is a good thing and you know, kind of shows us or leads us to a path where we can create a property which is Indian, about Indian films, married with the Hollywood films and South Indian films, and inshallah, all the films in India and all the languages, I think it's okay to take the cue from there. But don't consider it like a benchmark. Create our own benchmark with maybe this one, inshallah.
So, but if you get an opportunity to choose one out of two, one is award and second is reward. Personally, what would you personally prefer?
So, which do I?
So, what do you personally prefer, awards or rewards?
What is reward?
What is the
The
difference?
thing that you get in return, the love that you get it from fans, it can be a reward.
Okay.
तुझे मालूम है ना, ये क्वेश्चन को जम नहीं रहा अभी.
आपको खुद भी नहीं जम रहा, I think.
Shahrukh here. Here. Yeah. Hi. You have won n number of awards. Do you keep a tab on the awards that you have won so far? Do you keep a count? And if yes, how many have you collected so far?
Will you judge me if I say yes? Yes, I do. I love awards. I've never made any bones about it. And I've said this openly. Sometimes it may be taken wrongly. But I love being a movie star. I love being an actor. I love winning awards for my work. You reach a stage in your life as an actor, and I've been working for some years now, where, some kind of recognition. All artists, whether you're a poet, a singer, a painter, a dancer, a choreographer, you just want applause. And somewhere down the line, any award that I've received, I've always thought of it as collective applause for the work that I've done in a year or for a specific film. So yes, I do keep tabs on awards, and I want to keep winning them. And I try very hard, and I work very hard to get them. And when I don't get them, I feel extremely sad.
Shahrukh, the second part of the question is very interesting. Have you ever sat and dusted and counted your awards?
No, I don't want to
That
limit
would be
them.
psycho.
I don't want to limit them. But having said that, I've been told I've got 267.
Woo! That's a mean feat. Please notice it's down to the decimal point.
Shahrukh, here, right in the center. Here. Shahrukh, as we know, like Hollywood stars and Hollywood films will also be involved in IAA. So how do you think Hollywood celebs or Hollywood actors or stars will take this particular awards? Because we all see them joking about Bollywood movies at times. They are not aware of the industry that we have over here. So how do you think they'll take it, Hollywood stars?
Whatever little experience I have, having spent time with the American artists, they are extremely gracious people, let me say that. And you notice that in their award functions. There's a lot of graciousness. I think the presence of all the actors, actresses, directors, producers, writers, whenever an award function is there, quite outnumbers the ones we have. I think that's extremely graceful of them, knowing fully well they might not win the award tonight, but they all, the award is placed on such a pedestal that people think just being there or being nominated is a big thing. That's one. Second, the reason for an Indian Academy Award or award functions which we're taking abroad is to introduce Indian cinema to the world. When you say if somebody is not knowledgeable about our films, or perhaps even in some cases because of the lack of knowledge looks down upon it, I think it's a duty as filmmakers to take this platform and say, okay, this is what we do. And I'm sure we also sometimes judge everybody's films. It's not that we don't judge. We also like some films and we don't like some films. I think it's important to take this platform for the oldest filmmaking country in the world and say, listen, this is the stuff we do, guys, and participate. And I think there would be graciousness enough from both sides where everybody will accept it. So if we get short-sighted and say, ki, what will they think? They make fun. Everybody makes fun of everything, and that's all right. But I think it's a duty to introduce people to our work, our film industry, and our way of making films, so that this lack of education can be overcome.
Shahrukh, if there is one award that has eluded you, it is the national award. I remember during FAN, you had joked about retiring after getting a national award. But personally speaking, do you feel, is there any performance of yours that really deserved one? Because for me, either it was Chak De or Swades, for which you should have won a national award. So if you could just tell me.
I come from a place where I think audience and jury members and my filmmakers have been very kind that I won lots of them. For me to sit back and say I could have won for that would be demeaning, any award. If I didn't get it, I didn't deserve it. It's as simple as that. So I don't think there is any performance of mine till date which could have or should have got a national award. I don't perform according to winning an award. I just hope something turns out well, and it's not just me. There are 100 people making the film. The one that I'll get it for, inshallah, if I keep working hard, will be the one I deserve. But I don't think, if I haven't gotten an award, I don't deserve it. It's as simple as that.
But have you actually said you're going to stop making films after you get one?
That's why they've stopped giving me the award.
That
they
is
don't want me to
probably why
retire,
there's a
Otherwise, they would have given it to me
there's
as
a
soon as I
collective
said.
nation wondering.
They will never give me these awards.
Never
so
get
doesn't
it.
it?
Right.
Sir, Badshah, King, Raj, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, it's a great pleasure that you are here. I, like Saurabh, has been a great movie buff, have been watching movies since, ages, and, Alam Ara, Raja. I'll take 1 minute to come to the question. So, in these, I have watched, taken videos, watched a series of movies of Raj Kapoor, Shami Kapoor, all stars, and I love them all. But what touched me most over the decades and over the years are 3 three stars who have really, got very close to me. One is Dilip Kumar Saab, one is Amitabh Bachchan, and the third is none other than Shah Rukh Khan. And I think the way you hold the stage, the confidence, the entertainment, I haven't seen a global star like this. A star who holds the stage, the way he takes lead, and the smartest, the wittiest, it's amazing. So I just want to put a question that what is the input that you give today to yourself for developing to this level, that you come every time to the stage and you give every answer of your was like a golden word coming out, and that's why you are there and we are here. So what is that input that you give to develop yourself daily, like gymming, reading? What develops you more apart from the apart
In
from
short, what makes you Shah Rukh Khan?
today what is
Basically, you're asking me what am I smoking, yeah? No, to be honest, yeah, I've been doing this nearly half my life. Before that, I was training to be an actor in theatre. And thank you so much for your kind words to even mention my name in the same breath as the legends you did, Dilip Saab and Amitji. I'm a big fan too. I wanted to be a film actor or part of films because of them. We all are. I think most of our people in our generation were. And what one does is one honestly believes, after having worked so many years in films, that these matter, films matter, film people matter, film stories matter, the award functions matter. And more than that, the people who are watching films matter. And as soon as you wake up in the morning, have respect for it, not look down upon any of these things, that, oh, this is silly, they didn't understand my film. Yes, they understand my film completely. Every film they understand. Whenever a film does well, they appreciate it completely. As soon as you have respect for the work that you're doing and believe that what you're getting up to do matters, I think answering something or being a part of it comes automatically. You don't have to prepare it. I don't think I have any, I'm a very shy person personally. I don't have any sense of extra confidence. I take, most of the people who work backstage with me behind scenes would tell you, someone like Sharma, I don't have that kind of confidence. But I believe that making films in India and wanting to take it international matters, because that's who I am because of. And the people matter who made me and made the whole film industry. So whenever something is asked, you take that with that earnestness. You add humor only if you don't know what to answer. But otherwise, that's all it takes to be, I guess, though I'd like to add, many a times I'm not very proper on stage either. So it's not that I get it right always. When I'm doing a show, yes, I prepare a lot for it.
You're always perfect.
Thank you. I'm glad I can.
No, let me tell you one thing important, because I know him from the last 25 years with broken bones, which I keep on firing about, that please be careful, please look after your health. He will still listen and follow everything we say to him. The steps, the movement, the entry, the prop, everything we say, Shah Rukh, you'll hurt yourself, you'll hurt yourself. Don't do that, it's okay, I'll change it. No, I'll do it, I'll do it. And he is so humble, not only with my dancers, but with every single person backstage. He has respected people, and that's what's come back. This is something I know about Shah Rukh Khan, and I can vouch for that. That is what I love about the man, his respect for people.
Thank you very much, and for all the support always for every endeavor of the Indian film industry. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, Shah Rukh.